Hi guys, it's your face here, and this is cabin 1628 on Independence of the Seas. It is a accessible junior suite. As you come on the door, you've got all your muster drill, and because it's a junior suite, you do get 2 cleans a day, so you get the make up my room and do not disturb, and they still do 2 services a day. As you come here, you have the walk-in wardrobe. You have some shelves here, and then you have the pull down rail with a handle, so you can do it quite easily. Really nice big space. You also have a mirror here as well. You also got a light here as well. Really nice big size room. Then you have the light for the bathroom. You have some more hooks here as well. So as you come into the bathroom, really nice size bathroom. You have your sink over here. You've got a toilet here and a shower here. There is a shower stall. My parents have hired these from Mobility at Sea. As you can see there, definitely if you want it for extra stuff. So my parents have bought this extra, rented it, and basically it just comes into the room. You rent it and it just comes into the room. It's definitely a good service to check out. And they rented this as well. So this and this do not come. You do get this seat that is with it as well. Towels over here. Really good shower as well. You get the upgraded amenities in here as well. Then you get a phone in case you want to call room service or for an emergency. It is there for you. Yeah, so you got lots of rails. So yeah, really good bathroom. So then you have the bed here. Again, this is a hoist that my parents have rented from Mobility at Sea. You get quite a lot from there as well. So you have the phone. This side, this is the only side that has plugs. This side does not have plugs. So yeah, it's this is good, but then it's going to be a lot of space here if you want to charge like a scooter or a wheelchair. Small TV for the size of the room compared to the new ships. There's actually a newer one than what's in my promenade room. One in my promenade room is on its last legs. Then you have the vanity desk area here. You get a coffee machine with pods, a Lavazza, you get some drawers here, you got the cubby things behind here, lights as well, and then you also have plugs. There you go. And then you have more plugs around here as well. Then you have the sofa, which is a sofa bed, so this room does sleep 4. There's also a connecting door, so you can sleep 4 in here and you can have 2 in there. So lots and lots of space if needed. Then you have a table. There's a table here. Another scooter that my parents rented from my nan from Mobility at Sea. So yeah, again, definitely check them out if you do need it. Chair here, bedside table, and yeah, really nice big size bed. So let's move on to the balcony. The door is already open. So you have a raised thing getting out here, and then this comes across. So then you got the table and chair here, really nice. And then you got 2 sunbeds as it's a junior suite. On this ship, which I've never seen before, it says do not lay flat, and you like tape all the things together with like, I can't remember those plastic things, and I can't remember what they're called, but I've never seen that before. Really interesting. So they literally are in one position, you cannot change it. But with the sunbeds, they can be changed however you want them. Yeah, really nice size balcony. This bit would be this, so this is also with the connecting door. You can open these up, they do just slide. You ask your stateroom attendant, so it would be up to this line here and that way. So that's the size of your balcony. But if you do get the balcony next door with the connecting door, it will be open like this. Yeah, really nice view. There is the hot tub, and then the back of the ship, but it kind of comes out so you don't see the back of the ship. Yeah, really nice balcony, accessible junior suite. You also have, let's have a look at the back. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this room, please put in the comments below. Be more than happy to answer questions you may have about this cabin. This is an accessible junior suite on Independence of the Seas. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipface here. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.